Hi, this is Penelope Foray speaking from Foray Accounting, Coaching, and QuickBooks. This video is about QuickBooks 2012, the new versions. As it usually does this time of year, Intuit has introduced new versions of its Pro and Premier products. QuickBooks 2012 promises to help you get better organized, save steps, and acquire more in-depth financial insights. The new Express Start is designed for businesses that want to blast through setup and start entering customers and invoices. And that, I know, is many of you. You have two other options, although. You do have the advanced setup and the old, which is the old Easy Step interview that solicits more details. And you can also open an existing file or convert data from Quicken or other accounting software. Express Start starts minimal input. It requires minimal input. It just requires the company name, industry, company type, tax ID, and contact information. After you save the file, it lets you start adding or importing customers, vendors, employees, products and services, and bank accounts. QuickBooks is also offering an activity-driven calendar, and I just love this one. QuickBooks Reminders keeps you appraised of each day's tasks, and that's already present in QuickBooks, but it doesn't provide any information about the past or future. QuickBooks 2012 solves this problem with its new calendar. When you enter an appointment, to-do, or key business task, invoices, bills, purchase orders, etc., it appears in the calendar. You can display a graphical view of the month that tallies activities for each day and lists them below. Daily and weekly views are in list form, and links open the original documents. Also in QuickBooks, you can save Excel formatting. This one's a big one. Once you've formatted a QuickBooks report in Excel, it can really be frustrating to have to reformat it each time you run it for different time periods and or with changing content. Excel Integration Refresh simplifies this process. You can now export a report to Excel, make formatting changes and save them, and then reapply them later to the same type of report using different date ranges and your updated QuickBooks data. Acceptable alterations include these: row and column header font formatting, new formulas, rename columns and row headers and report titles, resized documents or resized columns, inserted columns and rows, and inserted formula text. You can do this by opening your report in QuickBooks and clicking Update an Existing Worksheet. That is what this little figure 3 here is all about. You can also launch your report in Excel and click the QuickBooks tab on the toolbar and then the Update Report button. This window number 3, opens when you click the Update Report in Excel. Also, QuickBooks is offering a new report community. There's always room for more report formats, especially yours. But QuickBooks 2012 offers a library of contributed reports. There's no sense in reinventing the wheel. If you can find your report there, it could be much easier for you. These are variations created by either Intuit or your fellow users. You can select any one of these. Customer sales by quantity by item detail is a popular one, and you can instantly populate it with your own data. You can sort these templates by industry and rating, view them as in a list, in a grid, or in the Report Center's carousel view. QuickBooks has also centralized its operations in the centers, and I think you've seen this over time with the Customer Center, the Vendor Center, the Employee Center. Now QuickBooks has the Inventory Center. The Inventory Center works similarly to those available for customers, vendors, and employees. It's a clearinghouse of item records and transactions that can be viewed and sorted. You can also do inventory housekeeping tasks there, like adding items and launching transactions. QuickBooks also has a new lead center. This is just wonderful for you. It helps you track new leads that you either paste in from Excel or enter manually. You can add little notes, to-dos, contact records, and you can convert them into customers. This can just be really important to you. It certainly is a time saver because you'll have everything all in one spot. Intuit is also included other smaller time-saving organizational and reporting tools, like one-click transactions. This lets you create related transactions from existing ones, like invoice to credit memo, with one click. There's nothing especially difficult about using most of QuickBooks 2012 new features, but upgrading and setup are sometimes quirky. The Excel Integration Refresh tool also has a learning curve. I'm happy to help you start your company file on the right foot or get you acclimatized to this new version. Again, this is Penelope Foray from Foray Accounting, Coaching, and QuickBooks. I hope you find this video useful, and there certainly will be more free videos coming, so stay tuned. Hopefully you will like this on my site, and I'll also be supplying new videos vis-a-vis my new Facebook fan account. So see you soon. Thanks again for listening.